have here? Well, you look at what we got here. Couple of D-bags, a couple of D-bags. Would you look at that? Well.
You ready, Danny?
Yeah, let's go.
You ready, buddy? I missed the bikes though, not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Can't stand me like.
We are off, boys. On our way to Lyle for an exotic car meet. We're rolling pretty deep with a fucking Ferrari and some Z06s. It's gonna be nuts. Stay tuned. Guys, check out the fucking Ferrari up there on the aftermarket wheels. This shit is fucking insane. Let's go. Look at this shit. This color is fucking perfect, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Fucking crazy. Guys, this event, I'm going to show you right now, the cars are absolutely fucking crazy. This is a great event, and stay tuned. I'm going to give you a bunch of snips and clips of all these supercars. So check out this Gallardo Superleggera that just pulled in. This thing is so fucking loud. I didn't get it pulling in, but it's definitely been twin turboed, and it is absolutely nuts. As old as this car is, you would never know. I mean, they just don't age. This thing is beautiful, and this was one of the cars that I was looking at aside from the C8, because you can get this for $120 maybe now. You guys, if you look, this orange, he put side canards in carbon fiber. I mean, the Lambo already is so wide, but those canards, man, this thing just sounded insane coming in. Maybe I'll be able to get it when it leaves. Check out the engine bay, boys. And then it's on aftermarket HREs. Check out the color on this one, guys. Beautiful. Typical red. What color, if you guys were able to get a Ferrari, what color would you choose? I feel like Ferrari is meant to be red. There is no bad looking Ferrari in red. But, I mean, any color really looks phenomenal, but the red, it just goes. I've always been a white car guy, so maybe something like this. And then you got these new colors, but I don't know. What do you guys think?